welcome to Marina Bay Sands.
Thank you.
Yeah.
On this trip, I just wanna eat and sleep and shop and repeat. Eat, shop, sleep, repeat. Eat, shop, sleep, repeat. Hi, baby.
Hello.
I love you.
Love you too.
Thank you for filming me.
No worries.
Sorry for the stress.
Love you.
Can you please love me?
Of course.
Promise.
Super.
Expectation versus reality, baby. Look how crowded the pool is. Ah, nice. So there's a smoking area right across the infinity pool, and you have a very nice view right here. I'll show you. Baby, can you please stop smoking?
Okay, tomorrow.
Far out.
How long are you staying here?
Just 3 now.
And then back to Philippines?
Back to Sydney.
You live in Sydney?
Yes, I do. This is my favorite part of the day, breakfast. Big breakfast every day in Marina Bay.
I'm the cool kid from the pocket. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not, I'm about to plenty drop. Go left, go right, waking up my appetite.
You guys lit up? Day 2 in Singapore. Good morning, everyone.
I don't wanna die. I don't know how to swim. So good. Come on. Yeah. Yeah.
I'll give you a break. 1 hour.
If I'm going to be a cop, I'm gonna be a very bad one.
Why did you give up being a police?
It's not giving up. It's our national service. We have to finish at 2 years.
Ah, yeah, of course.
Ah. Let's go. It's a very, very busy weekend. The pool is just so packed. Like really packed.
Always make you smile, always make you smile. Always make you smile, always make.
Ganda naman ng Singapore.
Always make you smile, always make you smile.
Thank you, thank you. Hello guys, it's day 3 in Singapore. Last day. What can I do? I can't afford to stay here for longer. Look at this view, guys. I have this view right here, just right outside my doorstep. Room 2723. It says right here. I'll show you my room during nighttime, okay? Magic. Look how spacious it is. I love it, 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 I love it. Here's my lounge. I got a little office and my bed. I'll show you something. My favorite thing about my room. Where's the little button? Over there. I have a humongous balcony. Look at my view, guys. Look at that. I got a walk-in closet with a sink. But there's nothing inside. A vanity mirror. And Roberto Cavalli. Roberto Cavalli. Toilet. My bed. And my tub. The best thing about my bathroom? Presenting! I can see LV from my tub. I can see the city from my tub. I just love this room. I don't want to go home. 3 nights, just not enough. Bye guys, I'm sleeping here. Bye, bye, bye.